Tired of ramen? Real estate can help. Let's be honest, we've all been there. Staring at our bank accounts, wondering if we can afford extra guacamole this month. Is financial freedom just a myth? Nope. It's closer than you think. The secret? Real estate. That's right, investing in property can be your ticket to ditching the ramen-only diet and living a life you love. Now, before you picture yourself swimming in a Scrooge McDuck vault of gold coins, let's get real. Real estate investing takes work, but it's not rocket science either. It's about making smart choices, learning the ropes, and building something tangible. Think of it like building Legos, but instead of a plastic spaceship, you get a real-life money-making machine. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of real estate and pave your path to financial freedom. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to our newsletter? We'll keep you updated on all the latest real estate trends and money-making strategies, absolutely free. After all, who doesn't love free stuff? Forget the Wall Street roller coaster. Stocks go up, stocks go down. It's enough to give anyone whiplash. Real estate? Now that's something you can touch, feel, and most importantly, control. It's about owning a piece of the world, literally. Imagine this. You buy a property, rent it out, and bam! Passive income starts rolling in. Every month it's like getting a bonus check just for owning a building. Pretty sweet, right? Plus, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time, meaning your investment grows while you sleep. Try getting that from a savings account. But it's not just about the money, okay? It's partly about the money. Real estate offers stability and security. It's a tangible asset that can provide for you and your family for generations to come. So, ditch the stock market stress and join us in the exciting world of real estate investing. You've heard it a million times, location, location, location. It's the golden rule of real estate for a reason. The right location can make or break your investment. Think about it. Would you rather own a beachside condo or a shack in the swamp? But before you start browsing tropical islands, remember rule number 2. Know your budget. Investing in real estate requires capital, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Start small, work your way up, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. Do your research, analyze neighborhoods, and crunch those numbers. Real estate agent. Don't be afraid to ask for help from real estate agents or experienced investors. They can guide you toward properties that fit your budget and investment goals. We've all been there, making rookie mistakes. But in the world of real estate, those mistakes can cost you a pretty penny. That's where mentors come in. Think of them as your real estate gurus, guiding you through the treacherous jungles of property investment. Experienced investor, find someone who's been there, done that, and bought the t-shirt, maybe even a whole real estate empire. They'll share invaluable insights, warn you about potential pitfalls, and help you navigate the complex world of real estate like a pro. Don't be afraid to reach out to experienced investors in your area, attend local real estate meetups, or join online forums. The knowledge and support you gain from a mentor can be priceless. Section 5. Small steps, big returns. Start with what you can. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your real estate empire won't be either. The key is to start small and gradually scale up your investments. Don't feel pressured to buy a skyscraper right off the bat. Young investor, consider starting with a rental property in your area. You can even hack your way to financial freedom by renting out a room in your current home. This will allow you to gain experience, build equity, and generate passive income without overextending yourself financially. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that first step today, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to building a real estate portfolio that would make Donald Trump jealous, minus the hair, of course. Section 6. The Landlord Diaries, more fun than you think. Being a landlord might sound about as appealing as a root canal, but it doesn't have to be a nightmare. In fact, it can be surprisingly rewarding and even a little bit fun, dare we say. Think about it. You're providing a valuable service by offering comfortable and safe housing to people in your community. Plus, you get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and watch your investment grow year after year. Sure, there will be challenges along the way, but that's all part of the adventure. And with the right attitude and a little bit of humour, being a landlord can be a fulfilling and lucrative experience. Section 7. Join the club. Subscribe for more juicy tips. It's free. Want to learn more about crushing it in the world of real estate? Of course you do. That's why you need to subscribe to our newsletter. We'll deliver the latest real estate secrets, money-making strategies, and maybe even a few dad jokes straight to your inbox. Did we mention it's completely free? Because it is. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your real estate game. Hit that subscribe button now and join the club. Section 8. Ready to build your empire? Let's get started. So, what are you waiting for? The world of real estate is waiting. Take that first step, do your research, and start building your property portfolio. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. And with a little bit of hard work and a lot of determination, you can achieve your real estate dreams. Now go out there and make it happen. And while you're at it, why not share your own financial tips or real estate success stories in the comments below? Let's learn from each other and build a community of savvy investors.